I can get it to rain even in the middle of the desert. It'll be interesting. See how much flow starts coming down this drainage area down here with just this little bit of rain. But as deep as that thing is, it must run off really well from these mountains. Alright, it only rained like that for like 10 minutes, 15 at best. I'm gonna grab the GoPro and go down there and see what this runoff looks like. I'm really curious as to how fast it drains off these mountains like this. Well, it's been raining about 2 solid hours now. It just let up. So I'm going to grab the GoPro, see if we have any runoff down this ravine yet. Flow. Kind of bummed about that.
Okay.